So yun, Miss Mela, nakita ko na parang nabalitaan ko na may-ari ka ng B&B Studios. Ano ba yung services na ina-offer nyo doon?
Yes, so I'm one of the co-owners of B&B Studios. It's a content house located in Quezon City, Project 8. So, explain ko lang, Miss Joycey, kasi, di ba nga, I did movies, I did TV shows. Di ba po, pag nanonood kayo ng pelikula, totoong bahay, yung mga ginagamit nila. So, I had the option before na, mag-studio business ba ako, na yung parang plain room na may white background. And I had that option. But I told myself, me and my partner said, you know what? Let's just get a place, a house, transform it, ipa-renovate natin. Walang nakatira doon. Content house siya para kung sinong gustong mag-shoot ng content, pwede. At the same time, yung mga connections or network natin sa pelikula, sa TV, pwede rin nilang gawing actual location for their movies or their TV shows, yung bahay na yon. So, B&B Studios is that. It's not a studio na plain studio with a white background or some backgrounds. It's an actual house that is aesthetic, pina-renovate namin. And people can rent there and they can shoot whatever their content is. So for example, your teleserye, iba yung gusto mong display ng bahay. Like for example, here, right? It's all pink. If gusto mo ng ibang color palette, pwede rin. You can really do whatever you want with it. Kasi, in my experience before, ang hirap makisama sa totoong owner ng bahay. Minsan, nagre-rent kami sa totoong may-ari. Ay, bawal galawin yung vase ko dyan. Ay, bawal palitan yung... Madaming ganon. And you have to respect because they're the owners. Nagrenta ka lang.
I saw your contents as a producer at marami din talagang na-inspire sa contents mo, no?